Ernie, a lot of people are listening saying, well, wait a second. You have these inspection and reconditioning centers. You put $1,000 into a car. I mean, are the people who are watching saying, I've never had any work done for less than $2,500. How are you able to do that?
Well, so these inspection centers are really cool facilities. You know, they're generally on around 70 to 100 acres. There may be 5,000 cars in the ground. It's basically a big assembly line where you can kind of think of it as a remanufacturing facility. So the cars come in, they're inspected. We figure out all the different parts that are on the car, the options that are on the car, so that we can merchandise those for customers. They go through whatever work needs to be done, gets done. You know, we'll fix dents, we'll fix windshields, we'll fix anything that's wrong mechanically. We'll photograph the car, and then we put it up on the website for customers to buy. And so, you know, going through that assembly line process enables us to save a lot of money versus the traditional way of getting your car fixed.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. At the same time, despite your growth, you're saying you're only 0.7% of the entire market?
So that's a truly remarkable thing about this market. So an amazing number is that there's about 40 million used cars sold every single year. And so, you know, in the fourth quarter, we sold about 72,000 cars. And when you do the math on that, that put us at about 0.7% of the market. At the same time, we're the second largest seller of used cars in the country after just 8 years in operation. And so I think it's a pretty remarkable thing that, you know, we're the second largest, but we're still only 0.7%. So there's obviously a lot of room for growth.
Now, we've had a picture up showing where the vending machines and inspection reconditioning centers are. I mean, I look at it. Is it fair to say that you may only be, I don't know, half the country, maybe even less?
So we have direct delivery, which means, you know, we'll deliver a car to a customer in a branded hauler with a uniformed Carvana employee that'll walk you through how everything works. We do that to a little more than 70% of the population. By the end of the year, we expect that to be approximately 80% of the population. And then over time, we'll keep growing from there. But then for those customers that live outside of our direct service area, we will use third-party shippers to ship the car to a customer if they'd like to buy it.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.